July 24, 2021.
Di makita si Ate ano eh.
Girls' Day trip to New Orleans, Louisiana. Girls' Day out with
Hi
friends.
guys! Welcome back to my channel.
Hello. Do you have a vlog? Oh, she's a vlogger.
Where are we going, ladies?
We're on our way to New Orleans, Louisiana, to a Filipino restaurant. Cebu Lechon.
Yeah, Cebu Lechon, New Orleans, di ba?
New Orleans.
That's the name of the restaurant, Cebu.
Cebu Lechon. The most famous lechon in Cebu, in the Philippines. Here's our beautiful driver.
Marami kang viewers.
There's our driver, sexy. Sexy and beautiful.
Siksik ka. Hindi sexy, siksik.
Pareho lang yun. Huwag ka na sa kuha tayong apat na para picture din.
Okay lang yung ano niya.
Yung araw, mamaya na lang siguro pag ano.
Nasa mo kami kahapon. Yung isang kasama ko sa Utah. Nag-picture. Like, Ate, do you know this guy? She was with Mark.
Oh.
Sabat din yan, oh, player siya.
Yes.
Join us.
Yo, come on, join us. Let's go eat some lechon and some halo-halo.
Yeah. Yeah, that's my fave. I'm gonna have halo-halo. I could not sleep because we have halo-halo.
Excited.
Yeah, since I mentioned to Marie about us going to the Filipino restaurant, first thing she asked is, do they have halo-halo? I said, yes, of course. Yes.
You better be have halo-halo. When I go home, I have halo-halo every single day. I'm gonna have my halo-halo today. Wow.
And Sarah is not a halo-halo girl.
Sarah
doesn't care for halo-halo. I don't know why.
Every time
Hindi siya mahilig sa matamis.
we were in Philippines, every time I see some, every restaurant on the we have halo. Get halo. He's gonna pull me out. You're gonna get fat. The traffic said, we're not gonna have that when we go back to the United States.
Halo is life.
Mother-in-law ko, paborito niya yung halo-halo. Kasi nakapunta na yung mother-in-law ko sa Pilipinas dalawang beses. Oo, nagano yun siya doon, nag-missionary.
Yes. You know what? I signed in for missionary. My friend is a retired nurse. She goes as a missionary. I don't know because they were self COVID. I said, let me.
Lechon babi, whole roasted pig,
Lechon
popular
baboy.
dish and main dish of the
Lechon
most
baboy.
festivities in the
Look
Philippines.
at that. Yummy, yummy. So, it looks so good.
Lechon is a national dish and a symbol of Filipino celebrations,
yum, yum.
family gatherings, and community events. Lechon is a popular and traditional food, often served as the centerpiece for special occasions like birthdays and holidays in the Philippines. Lunch with friends at Filipino restaurant, Cebu Linson and Grill, in New Orleans, Louisiana.
Ganyan, okay.
Usually cook them on
Lechon?
weekend, either Saturday or
Baboy.
Sunday. Pero it's been a month
Rice.
since naluto kami ng perka. Ang one time kasi ito, ito ng dito ka na una kayo na.
Pancit,
Yeah.
squid, crispy cutter.
Nakikita ko yan, very good. Actually, malaki yung video natin. Yung other side ako, luto ko na.
Yummy Filipino food, lechon babi, pancit, grilled squid,
Thank you.
crispy pata and seafood.
So hopefully, pagka okay na lahat, buksan natin daily, gano'n. Pero ano, makain ko din.
Pero daily kayo?
Check natin. Right. Lagay ko itong menu sa tabi para ating yung pagkain natin.
O siguro sinabi niya kayo, no? Kayo gusto rin na. Baka yung sinabi natin, hindi naman siya na. Oo, sila pa. Baka sila kasama. Baka walang parang, ano?
Halo Halo is a
Smile, say
popular
cheese.
Filipino cold
Cheers tayo,
dessert
cheers tayo. Mag-cheers tayo.
evaporated or condensed milk, and a colorful mix of ingredients like sweetened beans, fruits, jellies,
Ayan,
tapioca,
special
ube
halo
jam,
no?
and ube
Wow,
ice
look at
cream.
that.
Everything's in there. Huli mo, gusto rin naman yan natin.
Filipino bread, Pan Desil's staple bread roll and Spanish
It's
bread,
a
sweet bread roll.
Spanish bread.
Okay, wait. Laman.
Shopping with friends at Riverwalk Outlets. Shopping mall in New Orleans, Louisiana.
Smile. Isa pa. Okay.
Mississippi River at Riverwalk, New Orleans, Louisiana.